Hi, welcome to Zero Budget Gardening. Today I am going to pluck some blackberries and raspberries from a community garden where I have joined recently.
Blackberries are highly perishable and will only last a few days once harvested, even if you are keeping it in the fridge. Fresh fruit is always the best. Blackberries can be stored by canning, preserving, or freezing. These are raspberries. Raspberries you can pick as a red, it doesn't go black.
I eat the raspberries raw, but the blackberries I usually freeze them
and make ice cream with it. In the next video, I will show you how I make ice cream. If you are eating fresh berries, it is better you pluck only the black one. For the ice cream, it is better you mix red and black so you will get the sour taste as well. Raspberries doesn't have thorns, but some varieties of blackberries have thorns in it, so be careful when you pluck them. You have to harvest blackberries every 2 days because they go bad very quick. Blackberries and raspberries are very easy to grow.
I am planning to grow raspberries in my balcony. I should learn how to make a baby plant from an existing plant. Growing this plant from seed is time consuming. If I succeed to grow from a stem, I will update you with the video. I read raspberries takes up to 3 months to germinate. I'm not that patient. I'm planning to take a cutting from the plant once it finishes fruiting, and then I will make another plant hopefully. I love raspberries a lot more than blackberries. How about you? Which one you like more? Please let me know through your comments. Have you ever tried blackberry lemonade? This time I'm going to try blackberry lemonade as well. It's not so hard. You just need to mix some lemon juice and the fruit with some sweetener of your choice, and you just need to blend it with a lot of water, of course. I will upload a video of lemonade as well. Look at my hands. Some fruits were overripe, and when I touched, they leave colors on my hands. I don't want to make this video very long, so I will upload another video about blackberry ice cream and lemonade. Please comment, like, subscribe, and keep watching. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.